Welcome to the Redeemed Otaku Podcast YouTube channel. I'm Bex, and welcome to Amateur Hour. So, I am attempting in this video to clean and repair my dad's Bose remote. Now, if you joined me in my last video, which I'll share a link here, I was able to get my own TV remote working, so I thought I'd give this one a whirl. So this Bose system and remote are 30 years old, and my dad shared with me that all the buttons don't seem to be working properly, and so I thought I would give it a try, given the success of my own TV remote, that I would open this one up and see what I could do. In the previous video, I really struggled at getting my own remote open, so I felt a little bit more confident in how to find the clips and get this one open. So I will stop commenting and let you watch the video. I'll probably speed it up a little bit, but here we go. So I was able to get it open, but in my trying to find videos on how to service this remote, I wasn't able to find a video exactly like this remote. So I wasn't too sure what I was going to find. And I was being super careful. I didn't want to break anything. As you can see, there's a wire there. So I wasn't too sure why it wasn't coming up in the front here. But then I discovered that it was just stuck to that little rubber pad. Now here, I wanted to be able to get the board out without breaking that wire for the battery contact. And there's the other wire as well. So I just wanted to gently slide them up out of the plastic casing, and success. Super grimy, but again, this remote has seen 30 years of use. So don't judge. I'm sure you'll be super grimy in 30 years. This one I had a little bit of trouble because that little wire piece was actually seated inside the little piece of plastic. So I kind of struggled with getting this one out without, again, damaging it. To kind of free it from its little plastic seating and then pull up on it. So that's what I'm attempting to do here. And success. I didn't get any video of the washing process, but while the pieces were all drying, I decided to go ahead and clean everything with rubbing alcohol. So here we are. I'll go ahead and speed up this process as well. So I wasn't with my dad in order to test it just from the cleaning, so I decided to go ahead and do the pencil trick. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I did this with my own remote, and so I decided to go ahead and do it with this remote. So here is the cleaned up part of it. I did not completely dunk this side of the remote because of the sticker and that spongy pad, but everything else I just let it soak and washed it in warm soapy water. Cleaned up pretty good, I must say. So there's a lesson for you kids. Take baths every once in a while. I did notice on the inside of the buttons on the edges there, seemed like there was still a little bit more that I could get out of, so I went ahead and went over them with some rubbing alcohol. I do apologize about the videoing. I was just using my iPhone, and I realized kind of halfway through this process I wasn't quite getting it fully in the camera view. The other part of the pencil trick is to go over the little button nubs. I'm not sure what they're called. So not only the contacts on the board, but also the little nubs. Now it's time to assemble. This part made me super nervous. I wanted to make sure that I got those battery wires in their proper seating without bending or breaking the wires, and boy was I nervous. There we go, I was able to get it back into its seated position in the plastic. Again, I was super nervous at this part, not wanting that anything should break if I didn't have it properly in place. So I ended up taking it off and then just rechecking everything again.
を照らすと銀色の月明かり街を照らすと銀色の月明かり街を照らすとあの日の二人が見える振り向けば終わりだよきっと今夜は Goodbye 目を閉じて We can dance さよならは言わないから We can dance 今宵は踊り明かそう We can dance
If you've worked with this type of remote before, please comment below. Let me know how I did, and if I made any mistakes, please also let me know, because I need to learn. The battery wires seemed a little crooked to me, but I was able to get the batteries in there. Once we test it, if we find any issues, I'll pull it apart and see if I can get those straightened. But there we are. Not too shabby. Time to go test. So he was able to control his surround sound system, his 30-year-old surround sound system, with his 30-year-old original remote, with no issues. All the buttons working. Success! Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!